Traveling vine stitch. This stitch pattern is multiple of 8 stitch plus 2 edge stitches in 12 rows repetition pattern. Right side, wrong side. Diagram in the description. Cast on a number of stitches that is a multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. Use your preferred cast on method. I use long tail cast on method. Row 0, edge stitch, purl all stitches, edge stitch. Row 1 right side, edge stitch, yarn over, twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit to together left. Knit 5. Repeat. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit to together left. Knit 5. Repeat. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit to together left. Knit 5. Edge stitch. Row to wrong side, edge stitch. Purl 4, purl to together right. Purl 3. Repeat. Purl 4, purl to together right. Purl 3. Repeat. Purl 4, purl to together right. Purl 3, edge stitch. Row 3, edge stitch. Yarn over, twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit 2. Knit to together left, knit 3. Repeat. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit 2. Knit to together left, knit 3. Repeat. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch. Yarn over, knit 2. Knit to together left, knit 3, edge stitch. Row 4, edge stitch. Purl 2, purl to together right. Purl 5, repeat, purl 2, purl to together right. Purl 5, repeat, purl 2, purl to together right. Purl 5, edge stitch. Row 5, edge stitch. 1 twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Knit 4, knit to together left. Knit 1, yarn over. Repeat, 1 twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Knit 4, knit to together left. Knit 1, yarn over. Repeat, twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Knit 4, knit to together left. Knit 1, yarn over, edge stitch. Row 6, edge stitch. Purl 1, purl to together right. Purl 6. Repeat, purl 1, purl to together right. Purl 6. Repeat, purl 1, purl to together right. Purl 6, edge stitch. Row 7, edge stitch. Knit 5, knit to together right. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Repeat, knit 5, knit to together right. Yarn over, twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Repeat, knit 5, knit to together right. Yarn over, 1 twisted knit stitch. yarn over, edge stitch. Row 8, edge stitch. Purl 3, purl to together left, purl 4. Repeat, purl 3, purl to together left, purl 4. Repeat, purl 3, purl to together left. PURL 4, edge stitch. Row 9, edge stitch. KNIT 3, knit to together right. Knit 2, yarn over. One twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Repeat, knit 3, knit to together right. Knit 2, yarn over. One twisted knit stitch, yarn over. Repeat, knit 3, knit to together right. Knit 2, yarn over. Twisted knit stitch, yarn over, edge stitch. Row 10, edge stitch, purl 5, purl to together left, purl 2. Repeat, purl 5, purl to together left. Purl 2. Repeat, purl 5, purl to together left. Purl 2, edge stitch. Row 11, edge stitch. Yarn over, knit 1. Knit to together right, knit 4. Yarn over, twisted knit stitch. Repeat, yarn over, knit 1. Knit to together right, knit 4. Yarn over, twisted knit stitch. Repeat, yarn over, knit 1. Knit to together right, knit 4. Yarn over, twisted knit stitch, edge stitch. Row 12, edge stitch, purl 6, purl to together left, purl 1. Repeat, purl 6, purl to together left, purl 1. Repeat, purl 6, purl to together left. Purl 1, edge stitch. We have completed the entire pattern in height. Repeat rows 1 to 12 and you will get this beautiful lace.